our barista training classes are great for anyone at any experience level that are maybe just wanting to casually dip their toe into the specialty coffee or who are ready to go to nerd level 10,000.
There's a bit of a ritual behind the making of each of these beverages, and it's so fun to see them learn all of the skills that they need to do that back at home, or to give them the confidence to apply for a new position and to step into the coffee world.
But the good news is it's approachable the whole way, because we're not just going to be like, all right, here's, a bunch of recipes, but we're going to show you the why behind what you do. And we're going to make it really easy to grasp. That way you can go home and, have better coffee at home, or you can really elevate it and learn the fundamentals, master the fundamentals, and then make the fundamentals better.
Starting out with the science and history of espresso, how to use espresso machines, all of their configurations. They'll also learn how to steam milk to perfection to create that beautiful glossy microfoam textured milk, and learning how to apply those things together with a coffee beverage. They'll learn all of the cafe classics that have stood the test of time throughout all cafes around the world.
I always love when people sign up for our 2-day barista training class and we can just nerd out together and really objectively come away with something that really makes a difference.